Hello dear students, welcome to ECE Academy Benefactor. In this class we will be understanding about binary subtraction. There are three methods to do binary subtraction: direct method, 1's complement, 2's complement. In this class we will be understanding about 1's complement binary subtraction. We have already seen direct method binary subtraction in our previous class. To have a quick review of direct method binary subtraction, let us have one example here. So, the given question is subtract 1011 minus 0110. So, the first number is called the minuend and the second number is called the subtrahend. So, let us subtract 1 minus 1 is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. 0 minus 1 we can't do. So, we take a borrow. We take a borrow of 1. So, it becomes 1 0. What is 1 0? 2. So, 2 minus 1. So, 1 0 minus 1 is 1. So, as you have taken borrow, it is left here 0. So, here 0 minus 0 is 0. So, by doing direct method, we can get the difference. So, this first number is called the minuend, the second number is called the subtrahend and the result is called the difference. So, let us see the 1's complement method. So, in 1's complement method, we are having two conditions or two different cases. First condition is or first case is subtraction of a smaller number from a larger number. The second case is subtraction of a larger number from a smaller number. So, let us see the first case, subtraction of smaller number from a larger number. So, what is the method to do it? There are three steps to be followed. Determine the 1's complement of the smaller number, that is a subtrahend. Determine the 1's complement of the smaller number. Add the 1's complement to the larger number. And third step, remove the carry and add it to the result, that is to the difference. Let us do a problem now. Subtract 101011 from 111001 using 1's complement method. So, we have written the question. The first number is called minuend and this number 101011 is known as subtrahend. Okay. So, what we have to do to this subtrahend? We have to find the 1's complement. What is the 1's complement? 1's complement of 101011. This 2 indicates it is a binary number. So, in 1's complement what we do? We make 1 to 0 and 0 to 1. So, what it will be? 1 will be 0, this 1 will become 0, 0 will become 1, 1 will become 0 and this 1 will become 0. So, we have taken the 1's complement of the subtrahend and now add to it. How to add? 1111 001. Now, add this 1's complement to this number. What is the number? 10010. Add this number. So, 1 plus 0 is 1. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 0, 1. 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1 is 1 0. 0 with 1 carry. So, it will be 1 plus 1 is 1 0. Okay, 1 0. So, what you have to do to this one? remove the carry. So, here 1 is generated, you have to add this 1, remove the carry and add it to the result. So, remove this carry and add it to the result. 1 plus 1, 0, 1 carry, 1, 1, 1, double 0. Okay. So, what you have done? This is the final answer. Okay. So, what is the first step? The first step is to find the ones complement of the subtrahend and then add this ones complement to the minuend, and when a carry is generated, add that carry to the result to get the final answer. Okay. Now, let us see the next condition, subtraction of a larger number from a smaller number. So, here, so we have to determine the ones complement of the larger number, add the ones complement to the smaller number. Third step, to get the answer in true form, take the ones complement and assign minus or negative sign to the answer. Let us solve a problem. The given question is, subtract 11101 binary from 10101112, it is in binary form using ones complement method. So, this is known as minuend, and this is the subtrahend. Okay, so find the ones complement of the subtrahend. What is the first step? Ones complement. Ones complement of 1110001. You have to find ones complement of it. So, make 1 to 0 and 0 to 1. So, here 3 ones are there. So, we will get 3 zeros. Three ones are changed to 3 zeros. 2 zeros are changed to double 1, and this one is changed to 0. So, we got the ones complement. Now, I have to do add this ones complement to the minuend, that is 1 0 1 0 double 1. Now, add this ones complement to this number, double 1 0. Add it. So, 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1 is 1 0. So, sum is 0, 1 is carry. 1 plus 1, sum is 0, carry is 1. 1 plus 1, sum is 0, carry is 1. And here 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 plus 0 is 1. So, here in this case, we do not have any carry in the final result, no carry in the result. So, next step what you have to do, if there is no carry, we have to find ones complement of this number, ones complement of 11 00001. Find the ones complement. This is double 1, so it becomes 00. 000 means 111. This one is changed to 0. This is a ones complement. So, how to write the final result now? You have to, if there is no carry, find the ones complement of the result and put a minus sign, minus 00 111 0. Okay. So, here we have seen two examples in this ones complement method. In the first condition, in this example, a carry was generated. which is known as end around carry. So, what you have to do to this carry? You have to add that to the result, obtained result, to get the final answer. If there is carry, add that carry to the result to get the final answer. And in the second example, we are not getting any carry here. When there is no carry, we have to find the ones complement of the answer and put a minus sign to it. Okay, that is the answer in the true form. So, this is how we do it in ones complement. I hope you have understood the class. Okay, thank you. Good luck, students.